In a move to provide relief to the consumers, the masses, the government is taking multiple steps. We have seen that earlier government intervened when the prices of onion, it was soaring quite high. Then the government intervened and provided onion at a subsidized rate of rupees 25 per kg. Similarly, we have seen that the government has been selling Bharat dal or chana dal at a subsidized rate of rupees 60 per kg. Now, in a next bold move, government is going to sell Bharat atta. That's the wheat flour which government will sell at a subsidized rate of rupees 27.50 per kg, and Bharat dal is going to be launched, or it is going to be sold by various government agencies, and it will start from 7th of November. So let me show you a larger picture. So that's the Bharat dal which government is already selling, the chana dal which the government is selling at a subsidized rate of rupees 60 per kg. Now let me show you Bharat atta or the wheat flour which government is going to sell. Now this is the pack. If you see, it's a 10 kg pack of Bharat atta. The price has been clearly marked that it is 27.5 per kg. So a 10 kg pack could easily be understood that it is going to be rupees 275, and it will be sold through various government agency. Now you can also see that these onions which are being sold at a subsidized rate of rupees 25 per kg. So these are couple of items, essential items which the government has decided to sell. Now let me also show you that how the selling will take place. So if you see, these are the mobile vans which are going to be stationed across multiple spots in the country. So through these mobile vans, Bharat dal, Bharat atta, even the onions will be sold. Not just the mobile vans, even through the Kendri Bhandar, from that spot also, from NAFED or NCCF, the government agency. So through these multiple points, the government will be selling these essential items. The intent is to provide relief to the consumers from the soaring inflation rate, and also this will also help the government to keep a check on the traders who are involved in illegal practices. So that's the bold move, that government will be selling Bharat atta at a subsidized rate of rupees 27.5 per kg. With camera person Devendra, this is Samir Dikshit for ET Now.